In this video, we're going to install tools. We're going to learn how to install tools on using this terminal. But before I go forward, I just need to adjust this screen. You see, this screen is very small and is not comfortable at all. It usually happens, especially when you log in and you log out to other users and so on. This happens. There's an option VirtualBox provides here in View and the Scale Mode. Scale Mode actually will fit this to the window, the current window in here. So this will be fed or scaled to the current window we open. I need this one, okay? If I minimize it like this, you see, this is the window. This will be fed to this window. I need to maximize this. So view and then scale mode or just host here and see. Host means the right control button, not the left. Right control button in the Z. Instead of click on this, I just need to try it with, or just do it with Control C, much faster. See, it's fit now to this window. I need to maximize it here, as you see. Might find the resolution is not very good. You can adjust it from here. Just type display like this, and resolution, and adjust the resolution as you want. Let me adjust it with this one. See, got better, right? But for you, you might not be able to read it because it's very small, so need to set it like this. I think it's better for you now. Alright, let's go now for installing tools. There's a command called apt to install tools. Before I install tools using the testing, I just need to go to Kali first. Go to Kali here and log in as Kali. Clear this. By the way, clear is the command to clear the whole screen. Once I press enter, it's cleared everything. Okay, so apt. Then I want install. Then I need to specify install here. Apt install. Then what? I specify the name of the tool. There's a tool here we might need to install. It's called LeafBat. LeafBat is a tool, works like a notepad here, like this one in Windows. Okay, but of course it's a different graphical interface. However, apt install LeafBat will install this for us automatically. Once I press enter, see, permission denied because I need to use sudo. Not permitted to install directly, so I need to use sudo. So LeafBat here, enter the password. Enable to locate package LeafBat. So this is a problem, and one of the skills it's required for you as an ethical hacker to solve the problems. Okay, so this is a common problem happens. You just need to update your system. So command called update, apt update here. So we need to update our system. We just use sudo here to update it. It's being updated now. Will not take that long time, but it is very important to update your machine. It tells me that there's actually 1,640 packages need to be upgraded. I will take this to the lecture after the next lecture because I want to point to something important. Let me just go up here, install LeafBat. I'm sorry, sudo apt install LeafBat. See, it's being installed. The problem that it needed me to update here because the packages are just out of date. That's why it told me this error here, unable to locate package LeafBat. So once I updated my system, it is fixed. So if you face this problem while you're installing an application or tool, make this command and use Google. Google is your best friend to get things resolved. Google or Bing, whatever, do your searches because there are so many errors. I just need to get the skill of resolving things. Now it is in progress here. Now it is installed for us. I need to run this tool. I might run it from here. Just type LeafBat. I find it here. Okay. Or simply I can just type its name here as a command and it will run for us. I can't type anything. And it works exactly the same as Notepad and Windows. No, I don't want to save. Let's clear the screen now. That's how to install a tool or an application in Kali through the terminal. Just use apt install here and specify the name. There's another tool called Genie, and now it will not let me to install anything because I need to add sudo apt install Genie. Yes, Genie is a very important tool or application because it shows me lines number. It makes it easier for me to modify code, especially if you downloaded exploitation for something. I mean, like a tool, a simple tool is being made by a hacker, or you just made a tool. You can just modify it using this tool. I will show you this later. Thank you.